Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit what I got going on. Recently got rid of a project car that I had in order to make more room for two-wheeled machines in here and work. But over here you can see the XL 185 I picked up late last year. That's getting a little bit of a makeover. The plan was to get everything mechanically sound and not really worry about aesthetics. And the first thing I did was buy a new tail and seat. So you can see how that's going. And next to it is the another 185 that I picked up that's complete but hasn't run in decades. Right now it's just going to serve as a parts bike, but maybe it'll be another flat tracker, or maybe just turn it back into a trails bike. I don't know with that yet. But speaking of that seat, it's a pretty nice piece picked up from Goon Glass and Rubber, the tail and seat. So if you're in the market, definitely check him out. Should be getting a motorcycle lift in here also for some more work I have planned. The 450 that I'm riding this year is ready for practice, so it's out of the garage right now to make more room. But get some work done in here and hopefully soon hit the track. See you later.
Angry. Oh my goodness.